In this video, I'm going to be covering the comment and note functionality in Google Sheets. So if I'm in this document and I right click, you can come down to this option, insert note, and I can basically just type whatever I want here. And then when I click out of it, I can see that the note is there. If I want to remove this, again, you just right click and you would come down to clear notes. There's also a similar function, comments. I'll just again right click and you can add comment here. So I can actually tag people in this one so they can see it. I'm just going to write a quick comment and a comment. And now you can see there's this little orange triangle in the top right corner. And when I hover over it, the comment appears. So I can also reply to comments. So notes and comments are pretty simple. Comments are a little more dynamic. You can tag people in comments. You can also see the history of comments. So comments are a lot more useful in shared documents, but again, they are pretty similar. So to remove a comment, you would just come up here, delete, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.